Hello everyone, now I'm with Sofirn SC31T. Okay, it's a tactical flashlight from Sofirn. This one is 2000 lumens max. The LED is SST40 6500K. Smooth reflector here. Dual switch, side switch, and then tail switch. Okay, it's a tactical tail switch. Here you can do the half press or full press. Okay. The battery inside is 18650 battery, 3000 milliamp here. Okay. The way to charge this flashlight, it has USB-C charging port here. Just open it. Okay, here like this. Red blink charging. Green is full, okay, fully charged. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, to turn on, you have to use the tail switch. You can do the half press or full press. Okay, like this. The side switch cannot work without turn on the tail cap here first. Okay, here. When you turn on, this is step mode. One press on the side switch to change brightness. Eco, low, medium, high. Okay. If you want to access turbo, you have to double click. Okay, here. One click to go back to the last memorized brightness. In the step mode, it cannot memorize turbo. Okay, just low, medium, and high. Okay. Here, I'm at the high mode. Turn off and then turn on again. It is at the high mode. Okay. If you want strobe, 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Here, strobe. From strobe, another 2 clicks, we'll go to SOS. Another 2 clicks, we'll go to beacon. 1 click to go back to the last memorized brightness. Okay. This is step mode. Next, I will show you the smooth ramping mode. Okay, you have to turn on the flashlight first and then 4 clicks from on. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now it is at smooth ramping mode. You have to press and hold the side switch to adjust brightness. Here. This is turbo. Here, ramping down to the lowest. Okay, here. Good things about smooth ramping is it can memorize the turbo. Okay, here. If you want strobe, okay, turn on and then 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3 here. Another 2 clicks. SOS. Another 2 clicks. Beacon. 1 click to go back to the last memorized brightness. Okay, something like that. To access moon mode, you have to press the side switch, press and hold, and then press the tail cap switch here. You get the moon mode. Okay. Okay. Let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, here is the eco mode. Okay. Eco mode, not good enough for walking around. Okay, low here. Okay, I think low is good enough for walking around. I can see things quite well about 10 meters. Okay. This is medium. Okay, medium is good. Medium, you can use medium for walking around the forest or even cycling. Okay. And then here is high. Okay, high. High mode is good, quite bright. And then here turbo. Okay, turbo is very bright. I have tried turbo. It lasts about 1 minute, and then it gradually steps down to about high, something like that, or a little bit lower than high. Okay. Very bright. Now I use step mode. Okay. Actually, I like smooth ramping mode because it can remember. It can memorize. Okay, it can memorize turbo. Okay. With the step mode, it cannot memorize turbo. It can memorize high. Now the head is quite hot, and it's stepping down here. Okay, you see that? It lasts about 1 minute, and if I press here one click, it will go back to high. Okay. Okay, you see that? It stepped down to a level that is a bit lower than high. Okay. But high is enough for walking around the forest. Okay. For general use. Let me show you smooth ramping. 4 clicks from here, from on. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay, here. This is ramping up to turbo. This is ramping down. Okay. For me, I like smooth ramping. As I said, it can memorize the turbo. Okay. What I like about this flashlight is the UI. Okay. I think its UI is really good. Step ramping and smooth ramping. You can also get everything in here, like the flash mode. 1, 2, 3 here. Strobe. Okay. Slow flash, and then beacon, something like that. Okay. Here. Very good. Okay, this is the turbo mode. Okay. Quite very bright. Overall, I think it's a good flashlight. Okay, from Sofirn. Very good beam. It's available in 6000K and 5000K. For me, I prefer 5000K. This one is 6500K. Okay. Sofirn wants me to review this version, but not bad. Okay, I think it has a good tint. For this one, okay, for my in low mode, not green. Okay, it's not quite green. It's fine. It's quite white. I think this LED is good. Okay. It doesn't look green. Okay, I'm back to turbo again. Okay, very bright. Overall, I think this one is a good, okay, budget tactical flashlight. You can get everything in here. Okay, many useful mode and USB-C as well. Okay, very good. Okay, now it's stepping down again. Okay, but still bright enough for walking around the forest. Okay. Okay. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.